From time to time, your floors will need refreshing with our Wax Care Cleaner to touch up any scuff marks, regenerate the protective oil wax coat, and improve resistance to stains and wear. For commercial spaces, we recommend every 3 to 9 months. Areas of higher traffic may require more localized, frequent care. To carry out our periodic cleaning and refreshing procedure, we will need the following items. 1. A vacuum. 2. A bucket mopping system with a flat mop. 3. The Northern Wide Plank floor soap. 4. Northern Wide Plank Wax Care. 5. An additional mop head for the NWP Wax Care. To begin the process, we will vacuum the floor thoroughly. Then, follow our wash and care procedure to thoroughly clean the floors. For very dirty floors, use the double bucket mop method, which will provide a cleaner finish by separating the clean solution from the dirty solution, along with a flat mopping system to help scrub and pull dirt out of the grain. Bucket and mopping systems are available on our website. Let the floor surface completely dry, which can take anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes. We're only ready to apply our wax care when the wood surface is dust-free and completely dry. Next, apply NWP Wax Care sparingly, about 1 teaspoon or capful for every 10 square feet directly out of the tin. Use a flat, dry mop to spread the liquid wax cleaner as evenly as possible and work into the floor so there is minimal excess left on the surface. Allow the surface to dry for 1 to 2 hours.